let's talk through the in-person exam day experience. Now, testing in person, it's an awesome experience. They control everything. They make it easy. They guide you through. They're there to help you. It is super great, okay? Now, the top reasons that people go and say, yo, I'm going to take it in person. Number one, they want a professional, controlled environment. That's what Pearson VUE does. That's their business. That's what they do, and they do it pretty darn well, okay? Now, also, they want to eliminate tech issues. They're like, I know it's not going to happen, but I just want Pearson VUE to take that. That technically would be transferring the risk if we're learning through the videos, right? Now, the reason why people might not take it in person is number one, they can't get an exam date soon enough. It happens, right? It'll fill up and you're like, I don't want to wait a month. I want to take it now. I want the victory. Cool. Take it online. It's awesome. They're more comfortable at home. I can dig it. Take it at home if you feel comfortable. Rock it out. And thirdly, if it's a long way away, you don't want to drive 4 hours and 16 minutes to go to a testing center. If that's the thing, cool, take it at home. But there's a lot of testing centers all over the place, couple minute drive. They try to make it as easy as possible. So those are the reasons why you might not take it. Now let's talk through, when you do take it, what the room's like. So you're going to go to a room. They're going to put you there to take the test. Want you to be prepared. Now, it's going to be very sterile, very controlled, very simple, very quiet, okay? Now, there's going to be multiple test takers, not just you. Somebody taking the GMAT, the LSAT, the who knows what, okay? So there are other people in there. They may tap their toe, but no big deal. You can get over it, okay? And there's a proctor present to help you out. Somebody's got to check you in. Somebody's got to verify that it's you. Somebody's got to, answer any kind of issues that you have. And if you have to go to the bathroom halfway through and you're like, I need to take a break real quick, go to the bathroom, they can let you out. You go, and then you come back in. So they're going to test you out, and they're going to make sure you're good, all right? So simple as that. Now, what can you bring into the testing room? Nothing. You can just bring yourself, your smile, your brain, your confidence, and, everything that we've taught you, okay? So you don't need anything. You're going to go in there, and you're just going to rock it out, all right? They're going to provide you like a dry erase board maybe with a little thing, or a little pad of paper with a pencil, or just a piece of paper, multiple sheets with there. And if you need more, you say, hey, I need more, and go there. But you don't need them. You don't even need them. You can just write, I'm going to do awesome, yeehaw, and sign your name and show it to the proctor. She might think you're crazy, but that's what's going to happen because you don't need a data dump, right? That's not how we roll. We just solve the questions from in here, all right? So on exam day, there's a process for checking in. We included the Pearson VUE video. That's the next one down the chain. You can watch what they say. Here's how it works. Standard corporate-y kind of video, but it lays out the details. And as we lay it out, when you show up, you check in, you say, hey, I'm here to take my exam in about 30 minutes. Get there 30 minutes early so we're not rushing. We talk through that. Bring 2 forms of ID just to make sure that everything's good. They're going to look at it. They're going to do some scanning. They're going to make sure it's you. Nothing crazy. Then you're going to put all your belongings, like you got a pocketbook, you got, your phone, your keys, all that jazz. They're going to put them in a locker. They're going to give you the key. You put it in your pocket. You're good to go. They just don't want you bringing in anything to the testing center. But it's all secure. Don't worry about it. It's totally fine. Then the proctor walks you to your station. Hey, you're going to take the test here. You feel comfortable. Call me if you need me. Wave. You got to be quiet. Cool. And then they provide you a scratch pad, right? The little thing that you're going to use. And then you complete a system tutorial. It just walks you through how to use hey, this is where you answer the questions. Here's how you strike out. Here's how you highlight. Here's that stuff. Use that to slow yourself down. Easy, easy, easy. Get ready and take it. Then you start your exam and off and go running. Simple as that. Now, the in-person exam, it's fantastic. It's easy. It's great. It's cool. If you want to take it in person, that's awesome. Book your exam. Let's get it as soon as possible. Let's go A6 exam. You're going to do amazingly. Go for it.